My tour guide's name is Del. He took us through every street very carefully, and stopped on both sides of the main river to tell us the history of 100 years ago. Our English level is not very good, but Del is still very patient and speaks slowly word by word, so we can understand 80% to 90% of the content, and the walking speed makes people feel very relaxed. Upon further questioning, I found out that he is a retired man and a doctor. He also shared with us a lot of things about healthy dining. We are so lucky to meet this tour guide. People who come to Chiang Mai for the first time are highly recommended to take this trip. If you are as lucky as I am, you can also meet him. Great food tour. Our tour guide Ms. Pranam Taper is knowledgeable and provided excellent insight into the foods we tried. She also helped us to order our foods and arranged for us to be seated, making it easier for the group to enjoy the great foods without any hassle. This tour is a tiny hidden gem. We had Sunny as our guide. Not only she was very knowledgeable, nice and took us to great places, she also provided us with great tips and fun facts about Chiang Mai. 100% would recommend. Food was really interesting, we loved the dumplings. The Chiang Mai Michelin food tour with guide Patty was an unforgettable culinary adventure. Patty's expertise and enthusiasm elevated the experience as we savored delectable dishes from street food to Michelin-starred delights. Her recommendations were spot on, making it a highlight of my visit to Thailand. If you're a food lover in Chiang Mai, this tour is a must-do. Embarking on the Chiang Mai Michelin food tour was an exceptional culinary journey. Led by the amazing guide, Patty, the experience surpassed all expectations. From the moment we started, Patty's passion for food and deep knowledge of Chiang Mai's culinary scene shone through. Each stop on the tour introduced us to a new culinary delight, from savory street food to exquisite Michelin-starred dishes. Patty's insights and anecdotes added depth to the experience, providing context to the flavors and traditions of northern Thai cuisine. Her warm personality and genuine enthusiasm made the tour not only informative but also incredibly enjoyable. From bustling night markets to hidden gems, Patty led us on a gastronomic adventure through the vibrant streets of Chiang Mai. The highlight of the tour was undoubtedly the opportunity to sample dishes from Michelin-recognized establishments, each dish a masterpiece of flavor and presentation. Patty's recommendations were spot on, ensuring we experienced the best of what Chiang Mai's food scene had to offer. Overall, the Chiang Mai Michelin food tour with Patty was a highlight of my visit to Thailand. It offered a unique and unforgettable culinary experience that I'll cherish for years to come. If you're a food enthusiast visiting Chiang Mai, don't miss the chance to explore the city's culinary treasures with the exceptional guidance of Patty. This was unexpectedly a great food tour. I highly recommend this whenever you are in Chiang Mai and wanted to experience the local scene. The tour guide was very knowledgeable and such a friendly vibe with her. Kudos. And thank you for the free coconut water.